Hi friends, and welcome to another teckwrapcraft video. My name is Arlene from This Is a House, and today we are going to be making this SpongeBob Libby cup. It's sublimated, and for that I use teckwrapcraft sublimation transfer paper. This is the one that I used on it, and you can find it on their website. If you are going to try sublimation for the first time, it's important that you know that you will need a specific printer with specific ink. We bought these Epson Eco Tank back in October. It was on sale, and it's super good. So that's the one we use for sublimation. I have my templates here open on Illustrator. I had this design. I made it, I think, back in November for a custom order for a client, and I am going to use it today again. I have my template. The one on the left is for my Libby cups, and the one on the right is for the mugs, 11 ounces mugs. And I have, as you can see, I have a red line that borders all the design. That's my offset. I know that I can't go out of those lines. Now, once you select the print option, I have to make sure that I select the mirror effect, or as here in Illustrator, it's the downright option. And afterwards, I go and select the best quality of my image, and then I send this image to print. This is how it looks. You might think it's fainted, but usually when you print the images on a sublimation printer, you will see they come off as maybe fainted or not as bright as you were expecting. But once you apply the heat on the image and on the paper and on the blank that you're going to use it, you will see that those colors will pop out. I decided to use this frosted Libby cup because it will help us to see better the colors. We could use one clear, but if we use them, you won't be able to appreciate the colors on it. So that's the reason I'm using a frosted one. I am cutting the excess of the paper. I am using the marks that I have on my template, and now I am going to place the image on the Libby cup. I will be using painter's tape. I made a research and it's safe to use, and that's why we're going to use it, because I don't have heat resistant tape. After that, you just have to make sure that you don't place your image the bottom or the top of your image. You can't place it on the curve at the bottom of the glass or on the top of the glass. Make sure it's on an even surface, and then you can use a sublimation sleeve. You put your cup or your mug, whatever you're using, you put it inside this sleeve, and that it's going to help that image or that design to adhere better to your surface. I use a convection oven for sublimation. I use this specifically for sublimation, nothing else. And once I have the Libby cup in there, I set the temperature to 400 and it's done in around 7 to 8 minutes. So those are my settings: 400 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 minutes. I try to remove my sublimation sleeve while it's still warm, because otherwise it hardens. When it gets cold, it hardens, and to me it's easier this way. This is the end result, and today I need it, so Mama is going to prepare a mocktail for her. And I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Save this video for future reference. This was Arlene. Hope you have a great day.